Hi, I'm Greg Paielli, President and Broker of Simply Property Management. Today, I'd like to talk to you about 4 reasons why you should hire a property manager. Number 1, shifting the liability. Just like you do when you buy an insurance policy, you shift the liability in case there's an accident on your home to somebody else. It's the same thing here. Property managers are well aware of the rules and the laws. They know how to handle it. And if you're not sure of the things that need to be done, property managers are. Number 2, tools and processes. Good property managers have the tools like credit report and criminal background checks and ways to find out about their past housing and past references. And then they have the processes. You know, they have processes for move-ins, processes for move-outs, processes if they get notices, maintenance. They all have systems for those types of things. Number 3, enforcement of the lease and inspections. Very important. When you rent a home, you sign a bunch of papers. Well, if it's not enforced, the tenant can do what they want to do. So property managers enforce the lease through inspections and general checkups of the home as the tenancy moves forward. And then 4, boots on the ground. If you're not living locally, your chances of driving by are not good. Property managers, we drive by properties. Maybe we don't go in and do an inspection on your house that day, but we drive by because we're going to another home. Or our maintenance people go in the home to fix something. Or our pool guy goes to the back to take care of the pool. So there's more eyes and ears on the property. If you have any questions or comments on this, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. Thanks a lot.